Okay, y'all. I'm actually pretty nervous. I mean, what the hell? What the hell? I'm scared. This is the ring that I'm hoping will be in there in about 20 minutes. Why am I so nervous? Okay. This is what it looks like. I think that's a good spot. I'm just about to do it. I'm gonna put a little bit more ice and I'm just about to do it. Oh, oh, it's in there, y'all. Oh, it's pierced. It's out. It's pierced, y'all. It's here. Okay, so that's better. I feel like that's kind of far though, ain't it? It doesn't hurt as bad now though. It doesn't hurt as bad. So this was the hardest part, trying to get the earring onto the plastic part of the needle. I finally got it. I had to go off camera and now I'm just trying to push it through. Oh, I know it's already pierced, but it's still like, you know, when you're pushing it through. Woo! Ow. I feel like I'm piercing it again. Okay, so I got it in there. Whew, I did it the right way. This little thing is still attached. Just pulled it off. Y'all, if you try this at home, be very careful. Because my God, I don't even want to close it. I'm going to go clean it up a little bit with some sea salt water. And yeah. So this is literally what I do. I don't measure anything. Just make sure the bottom is covered. Like so. And then I'm going to fill it up with water. Pop it in the microwave. And we're going to be good. Okay, y'all. So this what she looking like. I'm about to try to close it up. I just cleaned it a little bit. It didn't bleed much once the earring was in there. But when I scratched the surface, it definitely did bleed. Whew. I think that's good enough. Because it's still a little, it doesn't hurt, but it's like a little sensitive. So this is what it's looking like. I think it came out great. I love where it is, the spot, the position of it, everything. And I actually did go ahead and pierce my right ear. Years ago, I went to a tattoo shop and I had my tragus pierced, but it was too close to the edge, so I ended up taking it out. But this time when I pierced it, it came out perfect and I'm happy. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to leave a comment down below and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.